Sarah and Bella loved spending every day together. Their laughter filled the garden from morning until evening. To Sarah, Bella was more than a cousin. She was her very best friend. Everyone in the neighborhood knew them as the inseparable cousins. Wherever Sarah went, Bella was never far behind. Sarah trusted Bella with all her heart. She never imagined her best friend could ever hurt her. Sarah's mother, Emma, always taught her to be kind, honest, and caring. Sarah tried her best to follow those lessons every day. But in another house, someone saw things very differently. Vanessa quietly watched everything from a distance. Vanessa did not like seeing Sarah admired by others. She wanted Bella to make sure Sarah never got ahead. Bella felt confused by her mother's words. After all, Sarah had always been kind to her. One day, Sarah happily shared her favorite toy with Bella. She wanted her friend to be happy. For a moment, Bella felt guilty. Sarah's kindness made her question everything. But Vanessa quickly reminded Bella of her instructions. The guilt slowly faded away. Meanwhile, Sarah dreamed about doing something special one day. She wanted to make her family proud. When Bella heard about Sarah's dreams, she felt nervous. Something about it made her uncomfortable. Vanessa noticed Bella's hesitation immediately. She warned her not to let Sarah become successful. This time, Bella finally agreed. It was the first step down a path she could never take back. Not long after, Sarah discovered a love for drawing. Every sketch filled her with excitement, and Emma encouraged Sarah's new talent. Her support made Sarah believe in herself even more. Excited and proud, Sarah showed her drawings to Bella. She couldn't wait to hear what her friend thought. But Bella did not praise the drawings. Instead, she told Sarah they were not very good. Sarah's smile slowly disappeared. For the first time, she began doubting her own abilities. Other children began noticing Sarah's drawings. They admired her creativity and talent. As Sarah received praise, Bella watched quietly from a distance. A feeling she had never felt before began growing inside her. That feeling was jealousy, and Vanessa encouraged it every chance she got. Soon, Sarah discovered a school drawing activity. Excited, she wanted to participate. But Bella planted a seed of fear in Sarah's mind. She warned that everyone might laugh at her. Sarah believed her. Afraid of being embarrassed, she decided not to join. After discouraging her, Bella pretended to comfort Sarah. Sarah saw it as kindness. As a result, Sarah trusted Bella even more. She believed Bella always had her best interests at heart. Watching from the sidelines, Vanessa felt satisfied. Her plan seemed to be working perfectly. Little by little, Sarah's confidence started fading. She no longer believed in herself the way she once had. One day, Sarah became interested in learning a new skill. The idea filled her with excitement. But once again, Bella discouraged her. She made the challenge sound impossible. Without even trying, Sarah gave up. Another opportunity quietly slipped away. Emma began noticing changes in her daughter. Sarah no longer seemed as confident or cheerful as before. When Emma asked what was wrong, Sarah couldn't explain it. Even she didn't understand why she felt different. Meanwhile, Bella started sharing Sarah's private secrets with others. She never expected the damage it would cause. Soon, whispers began spreading around school. Rumors traveled faster than Sarah could imagine. Sarah noticed people acting strangely around her. The friendly smiles she once saw were disappearing. Feeling confused and hurt, Sarah found herself sitting alone more often. For the first time, she felt isolated. And just when Sarah felt completely alone, Bella appeared beside her. Sarah had no idea that the person comforting her was also the reason for her pain. Sarah became more dependent on Bella than ever before. She believed Bella was the only person who truly understood her. With Sarah's trust growing stronger, Bella's influence over her also grew. Sarah rarely made decisions without Bella's opinion. At home, Vanessa continued feeding Bella new ideas. She reminded her never to let Sarah shine. Emma's concern deepened. She could feel that something was wrong, even though she couldn't yet see the truth. And while nobody realized it, a major turning point was getting closer every day. One afternoon, Sarah accidentally overheard part of a conversation. The words immediately caught her attention. To her shock, she heard Bella speaking negatively about her. Sarah could hardly believe her ears. Her heart sank. The friend she trusted most suddenly seemed like a stranger. Sensing danger, Bella quickly explained everything away. She claimed Sarah had misunderstood the situation. Wanting to protect their friendship, Sarah chose to believe her. But a small seed of doubt remained. Meanwhile, Vanessa prepared an even bigger plan. She wanted to make sure Sarah never discovered the truth. For the first time, Bella hesitated. Deep down, she knew things had gone too far. But Vanessa pressured her once again. Bella felt trapped between guilt and obedience. In the end, Bella followed her mother's wishes. The cycle continued. Soon after, Sarah faced her biggest disappointment yet. Another dream slipped through her fingers. As she sat alone, Sarah began thinking about everything that had happened over the years. One memory led to another. Slowly, a pattern started to appear. Every setback, every lost opportunity, and every moment of doubt seemed connected to one person. That realization hit Sarah like a storm. She finally began seeing the truth. Instead of reacting immediately, Sarah decided to test her suspicions. She needed proof. She told Bella a secret that wasn't real. Then she waited. Almost immediately, the secret spread to other people. Sarah couldn't believe how fast it happened. Now, she had the proof she needed. The truth could no longer be ignored. The painful reality became clear. The person she trusted most had been hurting her all along. Sarah finally confronted Bella. She demanded answers she had waited far too long to hear. For the first time, Sarah stopped making excuses. She accepted the truth exactly as it was. As Sarah pulled away, Bella realized she was losing control. Instead of apologizing, her jealousy only grew stronger. Emma shared an important lesson with Sarah. Not everyone who smiles at you wants the best for you. From that day forward, Sarah focused on improving herself. She worked quietly, confidently, and without seeking anyone's approval. As Sarah walked toward a brighter future, Bella watched from a distance. Bella remained trapped in jealousy, but Sarah was finally free. Her future belonged to her now. Final moral. Sometimes the people who hold you back will never admit what they did. You don't need their confession to move forward. The moment you see the truth and choose yourself, their power over you ends.